Here's how to upload audio to an episode page. In this context, we're re-uploading audio because the original audio that was archived was corrupted. So we're going to go to the KBOO website and locate the episode page that we want to swap the audio from. So we're going to scroll down and select Login. So we're going to search for the program that we want to edit. So I'm going to select the program page to make it easier to find the episode I'm looking for. And I am looking for the August 6th broadcast. So I'm going to select the Edit tab. And I'm going to scroll down to the audio field. Here we go, audio files. So this is the audio that was automatically recorded by the KBOO website. You're going to go ahead and click Remove. So we're going to go ahead and click Browse to upload the new audio. If your program was pre-recorded, then you can just upload the audio file that you submitted to the Google form. So we're going to click Browse and select that original file and select Open and Upload. There is an upload limit of 350 megabytes, and you can only upload these file types. So you want to double check that it's the correct file type and the correct size. So I'm going to double check that. It looks like our file is under the limit, but if your file is not, you can go ahead and open it in an audio editing software and export it with a smaller bit rate. And you can learn how to do that in our other tutorial on how to resize an audio file. We'll go ahead and click Next. And save. And there it is. Now you can scroll down and select Save. So that's how you upload audio to an episode page if the program was pre-recorded. If the program was recorded live in the air room and the audio on the archive is corrupted, you'll need to contact staff so they can send you the audio files to re-upload. They're going to send you a folder of multiple audio files that you'll need to stitch together before uploading. So staff will send you a folder with all the segments in it from the air check, and you're going to go ahead and stitch those together in an audio editing software. I don't have the Audacity plugin to play MP3s, so I'm going to have to convert these. I'm going to use VLC Media Player to do that. But you can also download the Audacity plugin and just drag and drop these in. If you need any assistance trying to download that plugin, you can contact engineer@kboo.org. So we're going to open up VLC Media Player, go to Media and down to Convert/Save. And we're going to drag and drop the files we want to convert. We'll select Convert/Save, and Audacity can support FLAC, so we're going to go ahead and select that. And we can have it append converted to the file name so we can tell it apart from the original files. All right, our files have been converted, so we can close out of VLC and open up Audacity. And we're going to go ahead and select our converted files that Audacity can read. All right, now that all of our files are downloaded, we can go ahead and put these in the correct order by looking at the file name. So this one is 12 o'clock. I'm just going to go ahead and make that number 1, just for convenience sake. This one is 12:30. It's going to be second in line. And the last segment down here that played at 1:30, we are going to name that number 4. All right, now that they're all in order, I'm also going to shrink these down so I can see a little more. And I'm going to hit Control A on my keyboard, highlight everything, go to Tracks, Align End to End. So now that we have the audio files in chronological order on the timeline, you just want to go through and listen to the transitions between the segments to make sure that they are somewhat smooth. So I'm going to highlight this and fit selection to width so we can see what's going on here. Maybe make the tracks a little bigger and give that a listen.
Moment for history, but because I was very with everything, Billy, and you know, just wanting to do right by her narrative for history.
So it might have a little bit of a hiccup, but as long as there's no dead air and it's audible, it should be fine. So go through and edit all those transition spots. And when you're done, you can go ahead and go to File and Export, just like you would any audio file you're editing. MP3 is recommended if this is being uploaded to the KBOO website because there is a file limit. So we can name this Jazz Lives Corrected. And we'll put the date so we don't lose it. And I'll put that in our downloads folder. Now we'll follow the same process that we did for the previous program on the KBOO website. So we're going to locate the program we want to correct. Here's the episode page we're looking for. We're going to select Edit. And we'll scroll down underneath the images and media here to audio files. And we're going to remove the corrupted audio that got archived automatically. And we're going to select Browse to upload our new file. Select Browse again. And we have our corrected file here. Hit Open and Upload. Then we'll select Next and Save. And there we go. We scroll down and select Save. You can also upload audio if you have a web-only program. It would be the same process of just going to that audio files field and selecting Upload.